In this segment, we are going to learn a couple of things together. We're going to learn the select any statement. Well, we've already learned that, but we're going to use it. We're going to learn select related, and we're going to use the unrelate statement as well as use the relate statement again. We have one instance of track log and three instances of track point linked together from the previous exercise. And so the first instance of track point is connected across R1 to the track log. Then the track points are linked together using this relationship R2, and the last one is linked across R3 back to the track log. So what we want to do is we want to add another track point to this list. So we'll have a fourth track point, and then we want to link it in at the end of the list and link it up to the track log. So we're going to create a new function to do all of those steps. So we'll go to the Model Explorer, and in our tracking package here, make a new function, add new track point. And in this, we will first select any log from instances of track log. There's only one, and so we will trust that we get the correct one, although we will use the good practice of making sure that it's not empty before we access it. But now we'll use the select related statement, and we will select last track point related by log to the track point across R3. Let me make sure that's the correct association. We want to select from the track log to the track point across R3. And we need to select one. So we select one, last track point. Now we have the last track point in our hand. Let us, before we get going here, create object instance TP4, a fourth track point of track point, TP4 dot, what do we have? Time, longitude, latitude, and speed. Time equals 8 TP4 dot latitude equals 38.0 TP4 dot longitude equals 48.0 and TP4 dot speed equals 6.1 kilometers per hour. Okay, so now we want to link that in and link it to follow the last track point. So we'll say relate last track point to TP4 across R2 dot follows. And now we will relate log, we will unrelate log from last TP across R3 and relate the new last one, which is TP4, relate log to TP4 across R3. So when this is finished executing, we should have a new track point linked to our existing track log, and we will find the third track point, link our new track point to follow that one in the fourth position, unrelate that last one because it's no longer the last, and make our new fourth track point be the last one. So let's execute our new function in the verifier. Let's look at see how many instances we have. The 3 instances of track point. Let's see the new one get added. Okay, a new one got added, and hopefully in our track log, our new one is now the last one. And if we look at what used to be the last one, it now has a relationship to our new last one across the R2 for follows. So that we used the select statement, the select any that we had learned. We used a new select related where we traversed across the association. We reused the relate statement, which we've done, and we learned the new statement unrelate. So this is a fairly involved bit of data manipulation, yet done in a very small amount of action language.